Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Very excited to look at surgical respirators in crinkle packaging. Let's do this test. All right, this is a very weird. Look at this. They've got the heads in the masks. Couldn't find people to put those on. Novita, I think is the name of the, well, it's what it says it is on the Novita Surgical Respirator R5. Well, this is cool. They're individually packaged. All right, that's interesting. That's interesting. We got some things going on with this, but you know, we'll get to that. All right. Surgical respirator. I thought it said it was an N95. That's my bad. All right, let's get this in the clamper here. He had me tricked there for a second. Not an N95. Here, clamp. Let's do this. Let it rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. You're either showing up today because one, you like hearing a random dude ramble, or two, you don't have a $250,000 mask lab. That's what this is for. Made in Singapore, manufactured by Novita. No Vita. These masks can be used for daily protection. Oh, here it says it's a KN95 mask. We'll see about that. It's not an N95 mask. Okay, adjustable nose bridge. It says it's FDA EU listed, lies, for use by healthcare professionals. CE 1463, which is actually a very legitimate standard. I don't know a lot about the EN 149 means it has to be certified by an individual lab as. So if you see this EN 149 and this FFP2, that means for them to put it on there, they got to be having it certified by a lab. But they're also lying about the EAU listing because even if they were EAU listed, the FDA revoked all of the EAUs in I think it was this year. It was early this year. I think it was February. Let's open up this mask and take a look here on this. So they claim to be a KN95 on the listing, where that could be just a bad actor there. Because all this is talking about is the EU certification standards, which would make sense in Singapore, that they would use the EU CE. This is nothing about KN95. This is not a KN95. Great head strap. So this is going to go over your head, which we will do right now. Oh, wow, that was embarrassing. Oh, man, this smells horrible. It's a little tight for me, personally, but it is, because it's so tight, give me a great seal. So this is the KN95 style, but they have not gone through the This is horrible. Oh, my gosh. It smells like a old dog food bag. Oh, that's awful. I don't know what's going on with that, but I did not. Oh, God. Oh, it's one of those things you just want to keep smelling. It's so, oh, man. It's like a new smell. Old dog food bag isn't, like, fair, because that has, like, a used smell to it. It doesn't smell used. It smells new. It just smells horrible. I don't even know what's going on with that. Oh, okay. Let's check out the head straps. Are great. So this is a respirator. This is using the EAU standard, which admittedly I don't know much about. It's the one I'm probably going to have to buy that one. But I would say that this is probably a legit respirator just by all the things I know. Breathability is 155.38. Pascals, 155. Generally, you want to see stuff below 155, but for a respirator, you can go a little bit higher. That said, for this style of mask, generally I see these under 150. So that's actually pretty hard to breathe. It's probably whatever the hell that smell is. That's, you know, even the machine's like, ooh, get off me, bro. I don't like this. You know, but spoiler, I'm just going to show you because I looked at the screen. Like, it's got a great filtration efficiency, which is, you know, why you guys showed up, I assume. not for this ramble face. 95.567, 95.567. So great filtration efficiency. First time I've actually reviewed an EU mask. Bought it on Amazon, so you can too. The Novita, no Novita, don't go there. 99%, not bad on that. I don't know, like, how good is a mask if you can't keep it on your face because it smells so bad? I don't know. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next test.